We have a Hino 195 double cab, nicely equipped with nap hide stake body, hoist, and tunnel boxes. 195 comes with a 210 horsepower Hino sleeved engine, nice and 6-speed transmission, excellent warranty, 5-year, 200,000 miles on the whole powertrain, 5-year, 100,000 on the emissions, and that's extendable warranty is available. It comes with 2 years, 60,000 miles of PM service as well, and extremely assertive financing from Toyota Finance. We have a side toolbox, and we have tunnel boxes with upper and lower storage. Again, electric hoist, stakes, trailer hitch, safety rings, hookup, $33-gallon side tank, and of course this is a crew cab. This truck is awesome turning radius, excellent warranty. Hino is a Toyota product. Make this one yours today. (614) 252-3111, 614-252-3111, or 800-288-0839. Come see it at McMahonTrucks.com.